I welcome you to this presentation. So here now the question is to describe the transformation fully. Okay, so now to describe the transformation fully, we need to understand and see the type of the question that the type of the diagram that you have been presented with. So here, as you can see, we have this side, which is CB. Okay, we also have this side as here it's FE, this side. Then we have hypotenuse facing this side, and this side hypotenuse, it is what facing this side. So now when you talk of the type of transformation that can be this one, we have a rotation, or rotation, which means it's going to rotate. Okay, it can rotate either in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so apart from rotation, also have translation. The translation, they just change, they shift from one point to another point, but facing the same side. That is what we call translation. Now here we have this, so this is like this side here, it is also appearing this side. Okay, this side, it is appearing this side, which means that they're supposed to be what a mirror line. So having this one, which is this one, it is the one that is deflecting to this one. So you're saying this is the object, and this is what the image. Now to describe this fully, we are saying that this is what it is a reflection. Okay, it is a reflection. So now how are we going to describe this fully? So we take the compass. This is my compass. Then you just open more than half of this line. So here I've got this F here, and there C. So more than half, I'll open more than half. Then I'll draw an arc this side. Okay, so I'll draw an arc this side, that is an arc. Then I'll come this side also, I'll put an arc this side. Okay, then I'll come where there is point what C. So where there is point C, here again, I'll make an arc this side. Okay, so even this side I'll make an arc. If I thought this is not enough, again you can again choose another point that you want again to intersect. So for example, I'll choose this one A, and G this side. So I'll open more than half, which is this is more than half. Then I can draw an arc here. Okay, so I'll draw an arc this side, I'll make an arc this side. Okay, then I'll go where there is D again, D there, I'll also put an arc this side. Okay, then I'll also put the arc the other side. Then again I'll go where there is A. So where there is A, I'll put an arc this side. So as you can see here, these arcs, they are intersecting somewhere, or they are meeting. Okay, so as you can see here, this one here, it is meeting at this point, and also they are meeting here. So you just draw a straight line. Okay, a straight line to the point of intersection where they are meeting. So here you draw something like this. So this is your line. Okay, so this is your line. Now remember, when you talk of the reflection, we have 3 lines. Okay, we have 4. We have lines that looks like this. So here we have this line here. Remember, here I want to describe fully. So before I can do that, first thing, let's say I have something like this. You may have something like this: y is equal to x, and you may also have y is equal to negative what x. Then you may also have y is equal to 0 or then x is equal to 0 again. So when you talk of y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the what? X-axis. Then x is equal to 0 in the y-axis. So now in this case you may have y is equal to x. Okay, so when you have y is equal to x and you also have y is equal to negative x. So y is equal to negative x when the value negative x, if the value of y is negative. Okay, if the value of y is negative, which means the value of x will be what? Positive. For example, here when you pick -1 here, you pick -1, then also you -1 where there is y is equal to, put here, it will be like something like this. So to find the value of x here, it will be over negative over negative. So your x is going to be what? 1. Okay, then again when you pick the value of let's say of x to be positive, the value of y will be what? Negative. Okay, the value of y will be negative. So having this same one, and you say y is equal to for example x, when x is equal to 2, which means even the value of y is going to be negative what? 2. The value of y will be negative 2. So getting these 2 points and replace where there is this equation, you see that when x is negative, the value of y will be what? Positive. So the value of y, it will be this side here. When your y is negative, the value of x is going to be what? Positive, and it's going to lie this side. So this type of equation, it will come like this. It will pass in this what? Diagonal. So it will pass like this. So once it passes like this, we are saying that y is equal to negative what? X. So now in this case, it is passing what? In this way. So when it is going in this diagonal, we are saying that here we are saying that this here, this is what? So to describe this food, we are saying that it is it's a reflection. It's a reflection in the line y is equal to x. It is a reflection in the line y is equal to x. So now this is the Miller line, y is equal to x, which means that if your x is -2, even your y will be -2. Then when your y is 2, even your x is going to be what? To be 2. So it will just pass like that. So this is what how you can describe this transformation. Then you get full marks, 2 marks just for you to describe it like this. So you're saying that the type of transformation here is a reflection in the line y is equal to x. Done.